Deep within the mystical landscapes of Ninh Binh, Vietnam, lies a destination that has taken social media by storm. You have probably seen the videos of a dramatic stone dragon perched high on a jagged mountain peak, overlooking emerald green lotus fields and winding rivers. Welcome to Hang Mua, also known as the Mua Caves. But here is the ultimate insider secret. Hang Mua literally translates to dancing cave, meaning the attraction is technically a dark cave located at the base of the mountain. However, almost nobody comes here for the cave itself. The true magic lies above. It is the grueling, steep climb up the jagged limestone cliffs to the spectacular dragon pagodas and viewing platforms that makes Hang Mua an absolute bucket list destination that is truly worth going to see. Before you begin your ascent, you will pass through a beautifully landscaped eco-park filled with swinging bridges and a massive lotus pond. But look up. The dramatic stone steps carved directly into the mountain await you. The climb consists of roughly 500 traditional, uneven, and slippery white stone steps built in an ancient style. As you begin climbing, the path is wide, but immediately steep. You will push through the first leg of the journey, surrounded by dramatic rock formations. Exactly after 175 steps, you will reach the first and most crucial intersection of the mountain. Here, the staircase splits into two entirely different paths, leading to different peaks. To navigate this mountain perfectly like a pro, you must know how to tackle both. At the 175th step split, your first move should be to take the path to the left. This is the main, highest, and most famous route. You will continue climbing up an additional 311 steps on this left fork. As you conquer these steep stairs, you will finally reach the absolute summit of Mua Island, completing a total of 486 steps from the very bottom. This is Peak 1, the Dragon Peak. At the very top sits a spectacular, majestic stone dragon statue that stretches across the jagged limestone ridge, representing prosperity and protection in Vietnamese culture. Right next to it is a small, elegant shrine dedicated to the goddess of mercy. Once you have taken your photos with the dragon, you do not climb down to the very bottom. Instead, descend back down the left fork, exactly 311 steps, to return to the original intersection at step 175. Now it's time to explore the other side of the mountain. From the intersection, turn and take the path to the right. This trail is shorter but equally steep. After climbing just about 100 steps up this right fork, you will reach Peak 2. This peak features a beautiful, solitary, traditional Vietnamese multi-tiered Tower Pagoda perched precariously on a sharp rock spire. But there is a third, lesser-known vantage point that many tourists miss. As you begin your final descent from the Tower Pagoda back toward the main path, look for a small, flat, rocky clearing located just a few steps below the pagoda structure. This is Point 3. Instead of looking at the famous Tam Coc River Valley, this viewpoint faces backward into the hidden, quiet inner valleys of Ninh Binh. Getting to Hang Mua is incredibly easy. Located just 5 kilometers from Ninh Binh city center and even closer to the tourist hubs of Tam Coc and Trang An, the most flexible way to visit is by renting a scooter for the day or hiring a local taxi. If you are coming from Hanoi, it is a convenient 2-hour drive, making it a perfect day trip or weekend getaway. To survive the climb, here are our essential travel tips. First, arrive early. The gates open at 6 a.m., and we highly recommend starting your climb before 7:30 a.m. to beat both the crushing tropical heat and the tour buses. Alternatively, head up around 5 p.m. for a magical sunset. Second, wear proper footwear. These are ancient-style stone steps with sharp edges. Leave your flip-flops at the hotel and wear sturdy sneakers. Lastly, bring plenty of water and sunscreen. Do not rush the 500 steps. Take breaks at the landing platforms, enjoy the changing views, and embrace the spiritual energy of this ancient landscape.